How to set your home photo in Widget on iPhone. So if you only want to set your personal photo in Widget on your iPhone, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if none of this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to use your own photo as personal widgets on your iPhone, the first thing to do is press and hold the iPhone screen. This works on all our existing devices. Click on Edit at top left, then click on Add Widget. Now, once you added widget here, you want to scroll down to the Photos app. Just scroll down until you get to the Photos app. Here I have Google Photo. Then I have Photos app. You want to select the Photos app or Google Photo depending on your choice. So here I'm going to use iPhone Photos app. Click on that. And you're going to see a sample of the photos you want to show on your iPhone. Then go ahead and select either of the album. I'm selecting this. Then click on done. Then you should see a menu comes up like this that says choose the photo you want to display on the widget. Click on choose. Now come to album and select the exact photo you want to use. So I'm going to use that photo. Then hit the back button, hang on, and then click on done. Now you should see your photo as a widget on your iPhone. So that is basically how to set your home photo in widget on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.